What is up, everybody? My name is Brokart. Welcome back to another video. And I was supposed to make an unboxing for these, but I forget. So I'm just going to show it to you guys. Here we go. Here's my J chain and my broken heart chain. I was supposed to do an unboxing for both of these, but my dumbass forgot. And as you can tell, my hands are big and this thing is tiny. When I saw the picture for this, I thought it was going to be that big. I genuinely thought it was going to be as big as my Joker chain. It's freaking tiny. It's as big as, like, the top part of my finger. But, nonetheless, I still like it. So, I guess there's that. And then, my broken heart chain. This came with two of them. Don't ask who the second one is for because, it's none of your goddamn business. Anyways, I am going to try to remember to do an unboxing for the rest of my chains that are coming in. I have a rose and a lock that's coming in, and I will try my hardest to remember to make an unboxing if I don't get extremely freaking excited. So yeah, here's the three chains that I wear now. I have a giant Cuban link chain at home that I don't really wear anymore because I don't remember to put it on in my freaking backpack to wear it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this really crappy video. I will see you guys next time. Peace!